Welcome to the Language Placement Assessment. Here is how to do this assessment. First of all, the best way to do this assessment is using Google Chrome. You might want to take a minute now, stop the video, and reopen this test on Google Chrome. Next, this video is going to explain how to do the listening and reading parts of this test. When you start the quiz, you need to enter a password. Before you start, be sure you have the password from the college. You can enter the password in the box and click Start Attempt. All of the quizzes are timed, so be sure before you start that you have good Wi-Fi, a quiet place to work, and enough time, 2 hours to finish the exam. Here is the first kind of question. You can see that it plays an audio, and then you listen and answer one of the solutions. Be careful. Sometimes the computer will change your answer. For example, if I move down, the computer will change the answer for me. To stop this, I choose my answer, then I click on the question number. After I'm finished, I click on Next Page. Again, I'll choose my answer, I'll click on the question number, and then this time, there's only 2 questions, I'll finish attempt or click Next Page. Don't click this. It will take you to the next kind of test. Click on the red box. When you finish the test, click on Finish Attempt. Click on Submit All and Finish. It will ask you again, click on Submit All and Finish again, and then you are done. After that, you will get instructions for the next half of the exam. We recommend you try the sample quiz here to check if your computer can play the audio files in this test before you begin the test. Good luck!